...2021 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite 8263MBR. It's got a rear bath with a middle bed, king bed in the slide out with that front kitchen. We got the chocolate interior furniture color, the slate wood cabinetry. The biggest one here is the 11 cubic foot 12 volt fridge with the solar panel up top. It's got a dry weight of 7,800 pounds, which is half-ton towable, and a max cargo capacity of 2,056 pounds. Mycah here at RV Wholesalers. Got a Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite 8263MBR. We got the front cap in the gray with the automotive glass windshield. Give you a little bit more picture window. We do have two larger propane tanks as well as a powered tongue jack. That way it makes it a little easier for you when you're raising and lowering that tongue up. You got the two batteries here on the front of the tongue, as well as all of the docking lights, controls and everything right here. You got your solar on the side, plug in. That's going to give you a little bit more solar power, and then all your pass-through storage right here as well. Alright guys, so now we got the water heater here. This is pretty centrally located, real easy to find. You got your auto level on this, which is actually controlled from inside the pass-through storage there. You got the awning up top with the underlight. You got your outside speakers over here as well with your TV hookup, so you can hang your TV out here with all of the connections. So your plug in there and your satellite hookup right there as well. Alright guys, so now we have our outside shower here. So you got your hot and your cold knobs, as well as your LP disconnect underneath. You got your outside mini fridge. Store your drinks out here if you want. Keep them cold, that way you don't have to travel inside all the time. Alright, so this one you actually have two outside showers on. You got one on the other side, you got one on this side. You do have a light here for you. You got your tank flush, your black tank flush, as well as your city water hookup, all centrally located, your cable, satellite, everything, as well as your power cord, so you don't have to go too far to find all this stuff. Alright guys, on this side, on the road side, we do have our underbed storage on the outside, so you can have access everything under the bed right here. And then over here on the next slide out, we do have another outside storage compartment. If you want to put brooms, fishing poles, anything that's a little bit taller, you're able to put that in there. Alright guys, so we got the front of the 8263MBR here. Front kitchen, plenty of counter space. We do have the grates here on the sink. Provide you a little bit more counter space to stack some dishes, dry them off, whatever. The big focal point of it here is the big window up front. So you do have the day-night roller shades. You know, if it's night out, pull those down, keep the sun out. You do have the microwave here as well, a little bit smaller, not a full residential. You got the three burner cooktop with the glass cover on it. Provide you a little bit of a backsplash here. Then you do have the oven as well with plenty of storage underneath and a lot of outlets. Alright guys, so now we have the kind of the entry area of this unit. We do have a little breakfast bar here for you since there is no table in here. Good couples eating area. You got the main entertainment center here with the TV. It is on a swivel with all your controls for the radio right there. You do have a little bit of extra storage here as you come in for, you know, coats or shoes, whatever. Alright, so now we have the kind of lounge area here in the unit. This is a theater seating type furniture. So it has an armrest that folds down, two cup holders. You do have some outlets that pop up right there. As well as the electric footrest. Going over here to the Fridge, this is a 12 volt, 11 cubic foot fridge. Now when you go with this option, you are going to get a solar panel, 190 watt solar panel with inverter on that option. Alright guys, so now we got the control panel here. We got the slide outs controls, so for both slide outs. And we got the awning extend and retract control, as well as all the lights. They're all centralized. You will see the Wi-Fi booster up there, control, as well as the water pump, the gas and electric water heater, and the tank heater. When you press the buttons there on the left, you will be able to see the fill levels on your tanks. On the right, you'll see the solar controller. This will tell you the charge of your batteries up front and how the solar panel is charging them. Alright guys, now we're in the bedroom here. We do have a large area for a TV in this unit with all of the controls up top. You got your lights control there, as well as some 12 volt plug-ins. You got plenty of storage, drawer slides there, and some massive wardrobe with locations to hang up shirts, jeans, whatever. Coming over here, we do have the bed, which is going to have reading lights, a little bit of storage up top, as well as some nightstands here. You do have a little accent lighting that you can turn on and off. You have some under bed storage as well. That lifts up. It is on struts. You got the drawers that'll slide out, and you can actually access that from outside too. Alright guys, coming into the bathroom here, a little bit more spacious than this guy. Plenty of space around the toilet, that way you don't have to, you know, kick things as you're going to the bathroom. You got a his and her sink here with his and her storage. You do have like a soap holder there, toothbrush, and then a 12 volt tower there for outlets on either side. You got some storage underneath. Stepping into the shower. Now me personally, I'm about 6 foot, 6'1", plenty of headspace, and my head's not even in the skylight, which is a big deal for most people. So plenty of headspace in here if you're anything under probably 6'4".